Hi guys, welcome back, and today I'm going to take the Spark out and I'm going to do a very simple range test in a rural area. No gadgets, no gimmicks, just Wi-Fi, and see how far she can go. So, let's go to the video. Okay, a while back I did a range test in a city environment and was very impressed by how the little Spark performed. So today I'm going to take her out into a very desolate rural area where there's very little that can interfere with it, and we're going to fly just on Wi-Fi, no gadgets, no gimmicks, and we're going to see how far she goes. So let's get out to location and let's get on with the test. Okay, so I've made it to my location, and as you can see behind me, it's just miles and miles of nothing. It's a little cloudy, but there's very little wind, so hopefully the test will go just fine. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put the drone up in the air, and I'm going to fly as far as I can, no gimmicks, and when I can fly no longer, I'll just bring her home. Okay, so I'm going to get on with the test, and I'll see you back inside. So there you have it. A true range test in rural conditions, just on Wi-Fi, and we achieved around about 600 meters or 2,000 feet, put it in miles, 0.4 of a mile. Now slightly disappointing, I suppose, because DJI claim that it will fly up to a mile, and we actually got nowhere near a mile before I had to bring her home. Is it disappointing though? Well, not really for me. because I didn't buy my DJI Spark to fly as far as I possibly could every day. I bought the Spark to create videos, and it's very rare that I will actually fly more than 200 or 250 meters, and in fact most of the time I'm creating video, I'm actually a lot nearer to myself with the Spark than even that. So not disappointing for me, and I still believe that the DJI Spark is a great drone. And it is a perfect drone for people coming into the hobby who wish to start creating great video which they can share with their friends and family. So, disappointing, but not for me. If you thought that this video was useful, then please give us a big thumbs up. Also, if you are new to the game and you are visiting for the first time, then please hit that subscribe button and click the bell so that you can get updates as we upload videos, and you'll get some handy hints and tips to get the most out of your DJI Spark. You can also follow me on Instagram at Phil's Drone Zone. And also, if you have any questions or comments, then please leave them in the comment section below, and I will answer them as soon as possible. Okay, so 0.6 of a mile, 0.4 of a mile, I guess not what I was expecting, but still good enough for me. All that remains to be said now is stay happy and keep flying.